Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In today's video, we're going to be making a delicious bruschetta. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you would need a tomato, fresh parsley, red onion, garlic, sliced French bread, balsamic vinegar, grated and shredded Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, salt, crushed red pepper, basil leaves, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and olive oil. First, we're going to begin by removing the seeds from the tomato. Once you have removed the seeds, dice the tomato. Once you have diced the tomato, you're going to dice 1/2 of a red onion. Next, chop up some parsley and dice 1 clove of garlic. Mix all the veggies together in a bowl. Next, drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and season to taste. Add about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Give it a good mix and add a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Mix again and let marinate for 1 hour. While that marinates, we're going to get started on the bread. Lightly coat the bread with olive oil. Season the bread with Italian seasonings and basil leaves. And top the bread with mozzarella cheese. Once the tomato mix is done marinating, we're going to place it on the bread. Lastly, garnish with shredded Parmesan cheese and bake at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. There you have it, delicious bruschetta. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you all for watching the video, and remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.